Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are in high spirits. Today I'll be making some grape nut ice cream. Yes, summer is on its way. Summer is fastly approaching, and we are going to need something nice and cold to cool us down. So here are my lovely ingredients that I'll be using. So first, I'm starting out by pouring my double cream or whipping cream, depending on where you're from, into my bowl. Now, the double cream Vibes fam, please make sure you keep it in the refrigerator, like up to the second before you're ready to use it, right? Because you need it to be cold. So here I'm adding, this works out to be just a little bit more than 2.5 cups of double cream. So 2.5 cups are just a little bit over that. So Vibes fam, what we are doing, we are going to whip this up right until it gets thicker than it started out. So here it is, you can see that it is getting thicker, and what I'm going to do now is add the vanilla, right? So I don't want to wait until everything is thick and it's the consistency that I want it before I add the vanilla, because I really want all the everything to be blended out properly and to come together in one accord. So yeah, Vibes fam, go ahead and blend and whip and do it and do it. Look at that luxiness. Look at that creaminess. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, another thing, Vibes fam. The container of double cream, it was a 600 ml container. So you see that one in the supermarket? Yes, just pick it up and use the whole thing. It's fine. So yeah, Vibes fam, look at it. So luxurious. I just love seeing this part. It is just mesmerizing, nicening, so good. Look at that creaminess. And I just love watching it come to perfection, right to where I want it, and it's almost there. It is almost there. And look at you getting all perfection. Beautiful. That's what we want, Vibes fam. There we have it, all done. Okay, so there it is. And now what we're going to do is add our condensed milk. Now Vibes fam, please do not add the whole tin of condensed milk same time, like in one go, right? We need to taste and see and then add, right? So here I added just a little bit of condensed milk, and then we're going to mix in. Look at that creamy delight. Look at that gorgeousness. So gorgeous, so beautiful. Oh yes, I can tell that you're royalty. Yes, you belong to the royal family. Look at you looking all royal, all royally royal. So beautiful. I love it. So yeah, Vibes fam, what we're going to do, make sure that you combine all the ingredients. So you want to get the double cream and the condensed milk together in one accord. Can you spell it? One and accord. Yes, beautiful. Perfection, guys. So go ahead and give it a mix, and you don't want to mix this thing too much, you know, like once you get it together, you don't want to mix it too much. So here I'm showing you how much I used before, and I tasted it and it needed more milk, right? Because we don't necessarily want no fresh ice cream, but I personally, so see what is left back, I personally don't want a sweet one either. So here I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of vanilla. So in total it is 3 tablespoons of vanilla and condensed milk to taste, right? To your preference. So go ahead and give that a mix. Look at it, all luxuriously luxurious, beautiful. Oh, look at it, Vibes fam. Beautiful. beautiful. Oh, look at looks. So here is my grape nut and VYBZ FAM. I will link it down below. I'll put the link down below for the grape nut. So now let's add the grape nut and VYBZ FAM. The good thing, this is the beauty about making your own ice cream. Oh, this is 1 cup of grape nut. The beauty of making your own ice cream is that you can add the amount of nuts that you want to your ice cream, right? But VYBZ FAM, don't overdo it because it will affect just a bit the consistency of the ice cream, right? So, but yeah, it's amazing to just can make your own thing in terms of you get it how sweet you want it, how much grape nut you want in there. Oh man, I'm telling you, I am just loving it, loving it, loving it. So yeah, go ahead and mix it all together. Yes, look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, go ahead and mix it all together. You don't want to see no whole heap of clumps of grape nut to one side, right? So take your time and mix it and try to evenly distribute the grape nut. We're almost done, and there we are. And here we have it, VYBZ FAM. Look at it. Yes, that's our ice cream. So we're going to go ahead and pour it out into whatever container that you want to freeze it in. Now, VYBZ FAM, I don't know why I pour it into my Pyrex dish. Why did I? Why? Because I really didn't want it in the freezer for that long. But guess what? Thank God that it is firm and strong and can take the cold, so it's holding up just fine. But don't follow me, get a plastic container or use like something metal. Like the last time I used my my loaf, like banana bread pan. I'm tired, VYBZ FAM. I can't think straight. That baking pan right there, the one that you do your bread or your bun or whatever in. So yeah, go ahead and put it in your container and get it everywhere. That looks so good. You can tell already it don't even freeze, and look at creamy. No, because it's not of a runny consistency. That is why I'm doing it. I'm sticking the spatula down into it because I'm trying to get it to spread out everywhere, right? So yeah, VYBZ FAM, that is us all done. Beautiful, nice. And remember, taste and make sure it is to perfection. So here it is, VYBZ FAM, all done and amazing, beautiful. So we're going to cover it and put it in the freezer for at least 7 hours, and then we're going to have some ice cream. And VYBZ FAM, look at it. Look at the coldization. Do you see those frosticization? Yes, VYBZ FAM, look at it. So cold, so cold. And here we have it, VYBZ FAM. Look at my ice cream. Grape nut for you. Yes, beautiful, nice. Look at the grape nuts. Look at them coming through. Look at it, VYBZ FAM. I am so proud of myself. And when I tell you that this tastes nice, I am not just saying it because it's me make it in a no joke. It nice, like it's so good, like to the point you will get into trouble, like And VYBZ FAM, of course, everyone don't want a cone, right? So here is a nice little bowl of the nice grape nut ice cream. VYBZ FAM, I'm telling you, this is amazing. Try it and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you do. Thank you so much. God bless you.